shall what? Renew their strength. It is when you command your spirit be plugged into God. It's like your phone being plugged into a charger when it says 30 seconds remaining. And you know that there is no hope of life if it is not plugged into the charger. But when you plug it in, all of a sudden, the 30 seconds it is cancelled. The law that was holding it when it was not connected is now cancelled. And a new life comes to it. The new life comes to it until it is pumped up and it is able to operate without the charger. This month you need to be plugged into him so much that you do not operate. This month you need to be plugged into him, that when January comes you don't operate by charger. January, when it comes, you fly. The Bible says those that wait upon the Lord, they shall renew their strength. They shall mount up on wings like eagles. They shall fly and not get weary. They shall walk and not be faint. They shall run and not be tired. The Bible says a young man will run and tire out. Why? He has not waited upon the Lord. The Bible says the old man, they shall walk and grow faint. Why? They have not been plugged upon the Lord. But he that plugs, he that connects himself upon the Lord. The Bible says what? The Bible says they shall renew their strength. There is a breed, there is a species, but there's a specimen of people that cannot break, whose faith cannot be consumed by doubt, whose perception of reality cannot be altered by negative situation. Oh my God, the Bible says in Isaiah chapter 53 verse number 1, who will believe our report? The doctors have reported, men have reported, but the Bible is asking, who will believe our report? Oh, we are not preachers, we are reporters of reality.